Be blessed by the divine. Do you know that neuroscientists have recently discovered that deep, slow breathing changes the brain structure? The brain is an elastic thing of sorts. The scientists call it the neuroplasticity. It can reprogram itself, reshape itself, it can redesign itself according to your experiences, thoughts, according to your basic lifestyle and the way you behave in your life and the way you have an outlook towards things in your life. So your experiences and your belief system, the way you program your subconscious mind, can actually change the way the brain is shaping itself, and therefore it can also change the chemicals that it produces, including the neurotransmitters of sorts like dopamine, serotonin, melatonin, and so on and so forth. Now, we have heard that breathing is actually very useful for human beings, particularly pranayama techniques that are taught in many yoga centers worldwide. Our Guru Sri Vethathiri Maharishi has also taught us a neuromuscular breathing. In the next video, I'm going to be talking about how to do that particular neuromuscular breathing. But this video is about the benefit of that particular neuromuscular breathing itself. The oxygen flow or the air flow circulates throughout the body, giving vital energy for each and every cell in the body. There is not a single cell in the body that can survive without this oxygen supply. Now, therefore, air circulation is throughout the body. Air circulates throughout the brain cells. An average human being has 8,600 crore neuron cells, about 8.6 billion neuron cells. Can you imagine the number of neuron cells that you have in your brain right now? Amazing, isn't it? Just imagine powering them all, energizing them all at the same time. Well, you will not be able to do it all of them at the same time, but you can certainly keep your brain, every part of your brain, refreshed, young and energetic at all times through the breathing technique taught to us by our Guru Sri Vethathiri Maharishi. Now, this neuromuscular breathing exercises different parts of the lungs, the lower portion, the middle portion, the upper portion, and the front portion, and the back portion, and the central portion of the lungs, both the left lungs and the right lungs. It involves 7 different postures, out of which I'm going to be teaching you 5 in the next video. The first 2 require us to sit in Vajrasana, whereas the remaining 5 you can do it sitting in a chair, or you can do it sitting in Suhasana, squatting on the floor, in normal squatting position on the floor. You can do it in either posture. It's very easy to do. And when you do this, remember that any breathing should be deep and slow and should be rhythmic and shouldn't stop anywhere. If you hold your breath anywhere, that can lead to certain curative impulses, instincts, and reactions in your body, which are necessary only when you have a particular kind of a disease that is cured by such a pranayama that controls breathing in a cycle. But for normal human beings with general good health, such holding of breath is unnecessary. I hope you are clear about that. No holding of breath. When you do deep inhalation, you inhale very slowly and you inhale as deep as possible. As much of air you should be able to inhale within you. Without stopping anywhere, you should be able to exhale. And when you exhale, you should be slow and deep. You should not do it like it is a pumping action. It should not be done like you are some kind of an hydraulics engineer pumping in so much of air quickly and pumping it out. It's not like you're going for jogging. It's not like you're going for running. It's not like you're doing any other hard physical exercises. It should be gentle. It should be rhythmic. It should be like a dance. It should be beautiful. You should be able to enjoy it. And you keep your mind focused on your breathing cycle when you inhale and exhale. And relax your mind, relax your body, keep your backbone straight, and you will certainly be able to succeed in not only energizing each and every cell in your body, you will also be energizing your brain, which the neuroscientists claim can completely reshape your brain according to what you want it to be. Keep it young, keep it energetic, keep it healthy, keep it strong. Be blessed by the divine.